Welcome to the revolution. The imop family of auto scrubbers, which are revolutionizing floor care, and its newest member, the imop Lite. The secret of the imop is that we have taken the agility of a floor mop and combined it with the elements of a conventional scrubber dryer, which are traditionally aligned in horizontal order, and stacked them on top of each other. So it is now in a vertical order. That creates an unmatched combination of agility, power, and ease. The imop's unique upright design puts more weight on the brushes, and its powerful battery-driven motors turn at higher RPMs, resulting in more cleaning power than a similar auto scrubber, and so much more than mopping. Wet mopping with its dirty water and slippery floors is a thing of the past. The imop's advanced technology extracts virtually all of the cleaning solution and whatever liquid happens to be on the floor, leaving floors dry and safe to walk on almost immediately. And because it uses significantly less water and chemicals, it's the green way to clean. The imop Lite is incredibly maneuverable. It takes tight corners with ease, putting no strain on the operator. Its tight turning radius means you can clean where no auto scrubber can go. The low deck lets you clean under cabinets and ledges, and the brushes will clean right up to the edge. The imop Lite can do it all, and do it faster than any conventional cleaning method. Put this outstanding maneuverability and portability to work for you. Small confined spaces with lots of obstacles are a breeze. And its lightweight allows you to work on multiple levels, a tremendous boost for your efficiency. For critical areas like bathrooms, your environment must not just be clean, but also healthy. Brushes are easily changed to prevent cross-contamination, and the color-coded tanks allow you to quickly change to the appropriate antimicrobial cleaning solution. The imop Lite excels at cleaning tight, obstructed spaces. It's not only easier and faster, but frees the operator from coming in contact with contaminated surfaces or mop water. Its powerful, long-lasting battery means that you can take that same ability outdoors with ease. Being able to swap out the battery on the fly means there is no job too large for this dynamo. The imop Lite can give you fast, efficient, mechanized cleaning in areas that, up until now, you could only do with laborious hand mopping. Its lightweight and smaller profile allows it to be quickly deployed to isolated areas for cleaning operations that need immediate attention. That same mobility means it can also travel with you from site to site, and its interchangeable battery can continuously provide the superior efficiency and effectiveness you've come to depend on. The imop Lite makes life easier and better for the user, who is no longer an exhausted laborer, but a motivated and efficient operator. It creates a better, cleaner, healthier experience for the building occupants, and the building owner or manager will see more consistency and efficiency in maintenance operations, which is always better for the bottom line. Better for the owner, better for the occupants, better for the operator, better for everyone. The imop Lite.